What's going on, everyone? It's Gunpla Paul here. Gunpla, of course, it's Gunpla Paul. You guys clicked on the video. What's going on, YouTube fam? What's going on, everyone? Thank you guys for watching the video. What's going on, everyone? I wanted to make a short video just thanking you guys. I mentioned it in a previous video, but this is kind of the official video. I just want to thank you guys for the first 50 subscribers. I mentioned in that other video that 50 may not seem like a lot to a lot of people, but to me it really does mean something. I've really enjoyed getting to know some of you guys and interacting with you through some of my videos and other social media sites. So as a thank you to you, I wanted to do a giveaway. And I was trying to find something that I could link it to, to actually have it mean something. And what I've chosen to do is do a real grade giveaway. And I'm not sure if you guys saw my previous video with the real grade GP01 review. And if you didn't, I'm gonna put it right here. I'm getting good at YouTube. So I wanted to do a real grade giveaway, and I'm going to make the giveaway very simple. It's not any kind of build off or anything like that. There's only going to be 3 rules or 3 things you have to do to enter the giveaway. So the very first thing is you do have to be subscribed to the channel. So if this is the first video you're watching, welcome. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe, and that'll start you off. Your second thing you have to do is you're going to have to comment on this video. And in that comment, I want you to tell me what you like about real grades, or something you think you may like if you haven't built one yet. Now, I'm going to pick at random these comments. So if your comment is nothing to do with real grades or what you like about them, it will disqualify you. So make sure your comment has something in it about why you like real grades. And then the third thing is you can be anywhere in the world. You do not have to be in the United States like I am. You can be in Korea, Australia, Canada, South America. I will get the kit to you. All right? So, biggest part is, I guess you're wondering what you could win. So there's actually going to be 2 prizes. So I'm going to pick 2 at random comments. I'll make sure you guys are subscribed, and I'll read your comment. And then I will get in contact with you and get you your prizes. So the first person I choose is going to get a real grade unicorn. By all accounts, this is the best unicorn they've made so far. So that'll go to the first person I choose. And then the second choice, the second person I choose at random, I'm not choosing you, sorry. The second random choice will get the real grade Johnny Ridden Zaku. All right, so both pretty cool models, but there's more. There's more? Yes, there's more. With that, I will also include the set of Gundam decals that go with each kit. So here we have the real grade unicorn decals and the real grade Johnny Ridden Zaku decals. These also include decals for some other real grade Zakus. So you'll get a decals that'll be shoved in the box for each one. So like I said, oh, one last thing. Last part, you will have 1 week from today. Today is Wednesday the 27th. Next Wednesday will be July 4th here in the United States, but I will pick someone on July 4th. Probably do like a live stream or something just so I could do it quick and pick the names out right in front of you guys. You'll see them, or I'll figure something out, and then I'll get in contact with the winners. So you have 1 week from today, 1 week from now, July 4th. By the end of day July 4th, you have to have your comment in, and that's when I'll do the auto picker to pick out 2 of those comments and get you guys your kits. So like I said, thank you guys again. I've really enjoyed this, and I'm looking forward to making some more videos and trying to improve them as best I can. There's been a lot of learning going on my part. Like I said, I've never shot video other than like silly videos on my iPhone with my friends. So it's meant a lot to me to have you guys here. And I hope you enjoy the channel, and I hope you guys enjoy the kits. I'd also love, you don't have to, but I'd love when you build them if you could tag me on whatever social media site. The links to all of those are down below, or they're in my YouTube bio. So yeah, tag me, show me what you did, and I hope you guys really enjoy them, and thank you so much.